What's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. At kung bago ka pa lang sa ating video ay subscribe mo ito and click the bell for others video. For today's video ay tuturuan ko kung paano ako nag-download ng mga sound effects or background music. First is go to YouTube and maghanap tayo ng sound effect na ating gusto. Something is
Gusto pa?
Alam ko talaga mo siya ko, yung nan ko.
Akala ko yung isa ko, yung tangal mo eh. May isa ka pang inahan.
and then siya guys, and then
Ano ba?
go to the share. Download yung video sa inyong application and then download video. Download mo yung music. Download. Tapos na siya guys. And then go into your video. My files and then ito na siya. Thank you guys. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. And thanks for watching. Bye.
I said I hate you, I was angry. I got so mad I slammed your door. You know